Hey guys, welcome to our Transform Your Body in 30 Days Easy Fitness Challenge for Beginners video. We're both certified personal trainers, and today, we're going to guide you through a 30-day fitness challenge that is specifically designed for beginners. Are you ready to transform your body in just 30 days? This fitness challenge is perfect for beginners who want to kickstart their fitness journey and achieve their goals. We'll guide you through a series of easy exercises that will help you strengthen your body, improve your flexibility, and boost your energy levels. Over the next 30 days, we'll be focusing on a variety of different exercises that target different parts of your body. We'll be doing everything from squats and lunges to push-ups and planks. And don't worry if you've never exercised before or if you're not in great shape right now. We've designed these workouts to be fun, easy, and accessible for everyone. Workout routine. Our 30-day fitness challenge is broken down into 4 different weeks, each with a different focus. Week 1, cardio and strength. During week 1, we'll be focusing on cardio and strength exercises that will help you build a solid foundation for the rest of the challenge. We'll start with some basic cardio exercises like jumping jacks and high knees to get your heart rate up. Then we'll move on to some strength exercises like squats and lunges to help you build muscle. Week 2, upper body and core. During week 2, we'll be focusing on exercises that target your upper body and core. We'll be doing some push-ups, planks, and other exercises that will help you build a strong upper body and rock-solid abs. Week 3, lower body and flexibility. During week 3, we'll be focusing on exercises that target your lower body and improve your flexibility. We'll be doing some squats, lunges, and stretches that will help you strengthen your legs and improve your range of motion. Week 4, full body workout. During the final week, we'll be doing a full body workout that will challenge every muscle in your body. We'll be combining cardio and strength exercises to give you a total body workout that will leave you feeling energized and strong. Conclusion. That's it for our Transform Your Body in 30 Days Easy Fitness Challenge for Beginners video. We hope you enjoyed the workout and that you're excited to start your 30-day fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key, so try to do these exercises every day for the next 30 days. And don't forget to eat a healthy, balanced diet to support your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.